We have one question from the chapter straight line. The question says, given a triangle ABC and these are its vertices, what we have to do is number one, find the length. I can see there are two things. One is length and other is the equation of the altitude. And that's from C to AB. So let's begin with making a triangle first. Let's say I made a triangle. I can name it anyway, but I'll put C over here. That's not a necessary condition. It's just that I wanted to keep the altitude look like this. So this is what the altitude, and I took this as L. The coordinates of C is given as 1, 2 in the question, A being 2, 3, and is it A? Yeah, A 2, 3. That's correct. And what is B here? That's 4 minus 1. That's 4, positive 4 minus 1. Now, what we have to find out in the first go, we have to find the length. So for that, we are going to use this concept that, let me write down the formula first. That is ax1 plus by1 plus c whole modulus under root a square plus b square. So as you can see that this is a perpendicular distance from C to AB, and therefore if we have the equation of AB, we can find the length of AB. So this is what we are going to do. So let's say first I'm going to obtain the slope of AB. So slope of AB, say I use M as the slope of AB here. So M is what? Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Y2 minus Y1. Right. So this is minus 1 minus 3 over X2 minus X1. That is 4 minus 2. So it comes out to be how much? Minus 4 over 2. That results to give you minus 2. Now I'll find the equation of this line AB again. That is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1 is what I'm going to apply here. So check here, y is y. Say I take this as y1 and y x1. So y minus 3 is equal to m is what? Minus 2 and x minus x1, and x1 is 2 from here. So we have y minus 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 4. So if I simplify it, I mean, writing in the standard form is going to be 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0. Now check, we can apply this formula. Needless to say that we have x1, y1 as this, right? And ABC from here. So let's say if I proceed finding the distance is ax1, well, a is 2 here. So this is 2 times x1 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus b, which is 1 over here. And y1 is 2. So it's 2 into 1 again is 2 plus c, which is negative 6 over here. So we'll be writing minus 6 whole modulus under root a square plus b square. So it's going to be under root 2 square, which is 4 plus 1 square 1. So we got the distance over here. That comes out to be how much? This is modulus of 4 minus 6. That is minus 2 modulus is 2, that divided by under root 5. You may rationalize it and write down the answer as the first part. For the first part, that is the length. Now check in the later part, we also have to find the equation of this line, that is the altitude over here. As you know that we have one point and we can obtain the slope of this line. And how so? It's because we know the slope of this line and this line is perpendicular to this. So we can use the relation of negative reciprocal to obtain the slope of the other line. So I can say now that the slope of AB, right? The slope of AB is going to be what? It is the negative no, not AB. AB is already there. Slope of CL, right? Slope of CL is going to be negative reciprocal of this, which is negative reciprocal of minus 2 is what? It's going to be positive half, right? And then we will obtain what? What we have to obtain? Equation. Yeah. So here too we are going to apply the same relation, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Y being y, y1 from here is what? That's 2. So y minus 2, and the slope of this line is what? Half. So it is half x minus x1, and x1 is 1. So this is 2y minus 4 is equal to x minus 1. And if I write this them in the standard form, it's going to be x minus 2y, right, and plus 3 equal to 0. So this should be the answer for the second part, that is the equation.